Hello friends, in my previous video I had completed question number 1a. Now in this video I will explain question number 1b. नमस्ते विद्यार्थी मित्रो, या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण क्वेश्चन नंबर 1b बघणार आहोत. यापूर्वीच मी क्वेश्चन नंबर 1a पूर्ण केलेला आहे. त्याची लिंक तुम्हाला जर तुम्ही आय बटनवर जर क्लिक केलं तर तुम्हाला त्या माझ्या आधीच्या व्हिडिओच्या लिंक्स मिळतील. Now let us start question number 2. First, solve the following sub questions. याच्यात 4 क्वेश्चन्स असणार आहेत. हे चारही क्वेश्चन्स हे कंपल्सरी असणार आहेत. म्हणून हा क्वेश्चन फार इम्पॉर्टंट असणार आहे. ज्या विद्यार्थ्यांना 40 पैकी 40 मार्क्स मिळवायचे असतील तर हे 4 पैकी 4 अचूक तुम्हाला उत्तर आली पाहिजे त्याची. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इफ triangle ABC is similar to triangle LMN, angle B is equals to 60 degree, then what is the measure of angle M? आता या ठिकाणी these two triangles are similar. Here triangle ABC is similar to triangle LMN. We have the measure of the angle B is 60 degree. Measure angle B चा measure किती आहे? तर ते 60 degree आहे. According to 1-1 correspondence, angle B corresponds to angle M and therefore the corresponding angles are congruent. Therefore, angle A is congruent to angle L, angle B is congruent to angle M, angle C is congruent to angle N. We want to find out the measure of angle M. We have given the angle B is 60. Therefore, the angle M is equals to angle B is equals to 60 degree. Corresponding angles of similar triangles and hence measure of angle M is equals to 60. अतिशय सोपा क्वेश्चन आहे तो. Observe the figure and state with reason whether line XY is parallel to side BC or not. Okay, and here we have the line XY. It's a parallel to BC. For that, we will have this ratio AX upon XB. हा ratio घेणार आपण इथे. That is a 2/4, and you will get after simplification 1/2. Ax upon xb is equals to 1/2. What about the ay upon yc? It's a 3/6. पुन्हा ते simplification करणार आणि तुम्हाला किती मिळणार ते 1/2. Therefore, ax upon xb is equals to 1/2. ay upon yc is equals to 1/2. And hence, the value of these two ratios are equal. Therefore, ax upon xb is equals to ay upon yc, and therefore the line xy is a parallel to side BC by the converse of basic proportionality theorem. Okay, now the next question. Observe the figure and state whether triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR or not. Okay, now first of all see this here. आपण इथे रेशो फाइंड आउट करणार. That is a triangle ABC. That is in triangle. We'll write here in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Okay, what we have, that is AB upon PQ. AB upon PQ is equals to 6/3, and that is equals to 2/1. Then BC upon QR, BC upon QR is equals to 8/4, and that is equals to again 2/1 after simplification. And the last AC upon PR. Okay, इथे काय लिहिणार तर AC upon PR, and that is equals to 7/3.5. Okay, simplification जर केला आपण, then you will get 2/1. It means that the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. AB upon PQ is 2/1, BC upon QR is 2/1, AC upon PR, that is equals to 2/1. Means what we have, that is a AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR is equals to AC upon PR, and hence the triangle ABC is a similar to triangle PQR by side test, that is a SSS test of similarity. म्हणून हे दोन्ही ट्रायंगल कसे आहेत तर ते similar आहेत. Their corresponding sides are in proportion. Okay. Now the next, the ratio of corresponding sides of two similar triangles is 3:5. Then find the ratio of their areas. आता कोणत्या टाइपचे ट्रायंगल्स आहेत? These triangles are similar. Okay. We want to find out the ratio of their areas. Let the corresponding sides of two similar triangles be S1 and S2 respectively. Let their respective areas be A1 and A2. S1 upon S2 means what? The ratio of their sides किती येतो? 3:5. That is a 3 upon 5. Okay. The triangles are similar and therefore by the theorem, area of the triangle A1 upon area of triangle A2 is equals to S1 square upon S2 square. What is the theorem? Theorem of areas of similar triangles. And that is A1 upon A2 is equals to S1 upon S2 bracket square. But what is S1 upon S2? That is a 3/5 bracket square. Means what? 9/25. Therefore, the ratios of their areas is 9:25. Easy question है तो. Okay. Now the next question. In the figure, segment AB is perpendicular to BC. Segment DC is perpendicular to BC. Okay. If AB is 3, BC is 4, then area of the triangle ABC upon area of the triangle DCB. हे दोन्ही ट्रायंगल्स राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल आहे. दोघांचा बेस कसा आहे? तर सेम आहे. BC is their base. Therefore, ratio of their areas depends on their corresponding height. Okay. Solution. Triangle ABC and the triangle DCB have equal bases. That is the BC. Okay. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DCB is equals to AB upon DC. Triangles having equal bases. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DCB, that is equals to 3/4, and this is the answer. Okay. Now the next question. In triangle ABC, angle ABC is equals to 90 degree. So BAC and BCA, these two are the, it's only 45 degree. This is the right angle isosceles triangle. Okay. AC is 9√2. Okay. AC is the 9√2. Then find AB. AB side आपल्याला find out करायची. Okay. Now the solution. In triangle ABC, angle ABC is a 90 degree. BAC is equals to BCA, that is equals to 45. AB is equals to X. AB is equals to BC is equals to X. कुठल्या टाइपचा ट्रायंगल आहे तो? That's a right angle isosceles triangle. म्हणून त्या दोन्ही साइड्स कशा आहेत? तसे आहे. By the Pythagoras theorem, what is that? AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Therefore, AC is 9√2. AC ची value किती आहे? The 9√2 bracket square. AB means what? X square. BC is X square. Okay. X square plus X square 2X square. 9√2 चा स्क्वेअर करणार. 9 चा स्क्वेअर किती? तर 81. √2 चा स्क्वेअर 2. ओके. ते 2 मल्टिप्लाइड आहे. तो इकडे आला कसा होणार? तर तो डिवाइड होणार. These 2 get cancelled. You will get X square is equals to 81. Taking the square root on both sides, you will get X is equals to 9. What is that X? X is the side of the right angle triangle. Therefore, AB is equals to BC is equals to 9. Okay. This is the side value of AB. Okay. Now तुम्ही एकदा बघू शकता इथे. Easy question is that. Okay. Now the next question is, find the diagonal of a square whose side is 8 centimeter. साइड ऑफ द स्क्वेअर इज 8 सेंटीमीटर असा फॉर्म्युला आहे. आपल्याला माहिती आहे की डायगोनल ऑफ अ स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल्स टू रूट 2 इंटू साइड. ओके, रूट 2 इंटू side is 8, therefore it is 8 root 2 centimeter, and hence the diagonal of square is 8 root 2 centimeter. Okay, now the next. In triangle ABC, angle ABC is 90 degree. If AB square plus BC square is equals to 324, then find AC. आता या ठिकाणी if we draw the right angle triangle, this is the ABC, ABC. Okay, measure of angle B is 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. AC square माहिती आहे आपल्याला, that is 324. If we find out its a square root, then you will get AC is equals to 18 centimeter. Therefore, the length of AC is equals to 18 centimeter. Easy questions are there. Servo. Next, in figure, angle QPR, angle QPR is equals to 90. Angle PQR is equals to 60. Angle PRQ is equals to 30. PQ is equals to 7. Okay. Then we want to find out QR. Easy question है. आता QR ही side PQ QR we want to find out the QR. QR is the hypotenuse of this triangle PQR. आणि आपल्याला त्याने काय दिलंय तर PQ is equals to 7 centimeter. By 30, 60, 90 theorem, that is in triangle PQR. Angle P is a 90. Okay. Angle R is 30 degree and angle Q is a 60 degree. Therefore, in triangle QPR is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Therefore, by 30, 60, 90 triangle theorem, that is side opposite to angle 30 is the half of the hypotenuse. आणि आपल्याला hypotenuse find out करायचं आहे. Therefore, PQ is equals to, this is the PQ is equals to 1 upon 2 QR. PQ is equals to 1 upon 2 QR. And therefore, 7 is equals to 1 upon 2 QR. Therefore, QR is equals to 7 into 2. That is equals to 14 centimeter. Okay. And this is the answer. Okay. QR ची length किती आली तर ती 14 centimeter, which is the hypotenuse. The theorem वापरला आपण 30, 60, 90 theorem. Okay. Now the next. In figure, angle ABC is 90 degree and the angle BAC is equals to angle BCA, that is equals to 45. AC is 2 root 2. Then find AB. Puna, this is the right angle isosceles triangle. Triangle ABC is a 45, 45, 90 triangle. By 45, 45, 90 triangle theorem, the sides are 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2 into hypotenuse. Therefore, AB is equals to 1 upon root 2 into the hypotenuse. That is a 2 root 2. म्हणजे root 2 root 2 या ठिकाणी काय होणार तर कॅन्सल होणार. And therefore, you will get AB is equals to 2. Okay. Direct formula आपण ते apply करून ते find out करतो. Side of this triangle is 2 and 2. Okay. Now the next problem. In figure, angle. Now the next question. State whether 4, 5, 8 is a Pythagorean triplet or not. Okay. Therefore, 4 square plus 5 square is equals to 4 square means what? 16. 5 square kiti? 25. Then you will get here 16 plus 25, 41 ala ite, and 8 square, biggest side square is a 64. But 41 is not equals to 64. Therefore, 4 square plus 5 square is not equals to 8 square. Therefore, 4, 5, 8 is not a Pythagorean triplet. या टाइपची क्वेश्चन्स असतात. इझी क्वेश्चन्स असतात. एक एक मार्कला असतात. Now we take the next question. Find the diagonal of a square whose side is 10 centimeter. Easy question है. Side of square is a 10 centimeter. Diagonal of square is equals to root 2 into side. That is a root 2 into 10. That is equals to 10 root 2 centimeter. This is the diagonal of a square. Okay, easy formula. Now the next. Chord AB and the chord CD of a circle with center O are congruent if M measure of arc AB is equals to 120, then find the measure of arc CD. Okay. Now as these two chords are congruent, their corresponding arcs are also congruent. त्यांचे corresponding arcs देखील congruent असतात. Their measures are equal. Okay. And therefore measure of arc CD is also 120. Chord AB is congruent to chord CD, that's given. Therefore measure of arc AB is equals to measure of arc CD. Corresponding arcs of congruent chords. Okay. Measure of arc आपल्याला दिले त्याने AB is equals to 120 and therefore measure of arc CD is also 120 and hence the answer is the question. Okay. Now the next. O is the center of the circle. Angle PQR is inscribed in arc PQR. Angle PQR is inscribed in arc PQR. And intercept arc PXR. PXR ला काय करतो तो intercept करतो. If the measure of arc PXR is equals to 80 degree, this is the measure of arc PXR. Okay. Then the measure of angle PQR is equals to the measure of angle PQR. It's clear that that is equals to 40 degree. Okay. Now we find out the answer. Measure of arc PXR is equals to 80 degree. Angle PQR is equals to 1 upon 2 into measure of arc PXR by instant angle theorem. Therefore, measure of angle PQR is equals to 1 upon 2. Arcचं measure दिलं त्याने आपल्याला 80, that is 1 upon 2 into 80 is equals to 40 degree. And therefore, measure of angle PQR is equals to 40 degree. Okay. Now the next question. The length of the longest chord of this circle is 8 centimeter. Find its radius. Now the longest chord of the circle is 8 centimeter. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Okay. And therefore the radius of the circle is equals to 1 upon 2 into diameter. Okay. Longest chord काय असते? The diameter असतो. Therefore 1 upon 2 into 8, that is equals to 4 centimeter. Therefore the radius of the circle is 4 centimeter. Okay. Next. Two circles with radii 8 centimeter and 2 centimeter touch each other internally. What is the distance between their centers? जेव्हा दोन circles internally touch होत असतात and then the distance between their centers is difference of their radius. When the two circles touch each other, their point of contact lies on the line joining the center. When the two circles touch each other internally, then distance between their centers is difference of radii. Okay. Therefore, the required distance is 8 minus 2. Okay. And that is equals to 6 centimeter. Therefore, the distance between their centers is 6 centimeter. Okay. Now the next question. In cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, the measure of angle A is equals to 80 degree. Then find the measure of angle C. Okay. In cyclic quadrilateral, that is opposite angles are supplementary. Their total is 180. And therefore, the angle A plus angle C is equals to 180 opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. And therefore, measure of angle A is 80 degree plus angle C is equals to 180. Therefore, angle C is equals to 180 degree minus 80. And that's equals to angle C is 100 degree. Okay. Now the next question. From the point P, okay, two tangents are drawn on a circle with center O. Okay. These are the two tangents. Center of the circle is O. touching the circle at Q and at R. PQ is equals to 5 centimeter. This is the PQ, and that is equals to 5 centimeter. Then what is the length of PR? When we draw the tangent from the exterior point of a circle, then there are the two tangents and the length of these two tangents are equal. म्हणून काय तर PQ ची लेंथ किती तर 5 सेंटीमीटर, PR ची लेंथ देखील किती येणार तर ती 5 सेंटीमीटर. Okay. What is the reason? The tangent segments are congruent and therefore PR is equals to PQ and hence PR is equals to 5 centimeter. Tangent segments are congruent when we draw a tangent to a circle from the exterior point of a circle. Okay. Now the next question. Quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic. Okay. If angle B is 110, then find the measure of angle D. Okay. Quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic. Therefore, measure of angle B plus measure of angle D is 180. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilaterals are supplementary. B is the measure आपल्याला 110 plus angle D is equals to 180. Therefore, angle D is equals to 180 minus 110, and that is equals to angle D is a 70 degree. Okay. Now the next. Find the y coordinate of the centroid of a triangle whose vertices are 4, minus 3, 7, 5, minus 2, 1. The centroid चे coordinates कसे असतात? That is x is equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. Similarly, y is equals to centroid formula. Y is equals to y1 plus y2 plus y3. आपल्याला फक्त y coordinate पाहिजे. Therefore, y1 plus y2 plus y3, that is a minus 3, y1, y2 is 5, and y3 is 1. Minus 3 plus 5, that is a 2. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 by 3, and that is equals to 1. And therefore, y coordinate of the centroid of triangle is 1. Okay. Now the next question. Find the slope of a line which makes an angle of 60 degree with positive direction of x-axis. Easy question आहे. Inclination दिला असताना slope कसा find out करतो आपण? That is the slope of line is equals to tan theta. What is that? Tan 60. And tan 60 means what? Root 3. Therefore, the slope of the given line is root 3 when the inclination is given. Okay. Now the next. Write the slope of the line parallel to x-axis. X-axis ला parallel असणाऱ्या लाईनचा स्लोप किती असतो तर तो 0 असतो. The slope of x-axis is 0. There is no inclination. Okay. And suppose this is the line. It is a parallel to this x-axis and y-axis. This line L is a parallel to x-axis. Therefore, the slope of that line is 0. Therefore, we write answer. Answer कसं लिहिणार आपण? Slope of x-axis is 0. Parallel lines have equal slopes. Okay. Thus, the slope of line parallel to x-axis is 0. त्या दोन lines parallel असतील तर त्यांचे slopes कसे असतात तर equal असतात. Okay. Now the next question. Write the coordinates of point of intersection of lines x is equals to 2 and y is equals to minus 3. आपण इथे coordinate geometry घेतली. We want to find out the point of intersection of the line x is equals to 2. X is equals to 2 line म्हणजे काय? It's a parallel to y-axis. And y is equals to minus 3. That line is parallel to x-axis. And their point of intersection किती असणार आहे? X is 2, y is a minus 3. Therefore, their point of intersection is a 2 minus 3. Okay. This is the answer. Easy question है. Find the slope of the line passing through the points A 2 3 and B 4 7. Now the solution. Slope of the line AB is equals to difference of y coordinate upon difference of x coordinate घेणार ते y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. y2 ची value किती? The 7. x2 y1 is 3. 7 minus 3. Next 4 minus 2. Therefore, you will get 4 upon 2. 4 upon 2, that is equals to 2. Therefore, the slope of line AB, that is equals to 2. Okay. Now the next question. If sin theta is equals to cos theta, then what will be the measure of angle theta? Okay. आता sin theta आपण असं लिहिता येईल, sin theta is equals to cos of 90 minus theta. Okay. But we have the sin theta is equals to cos theta. Therefore, this sin theta is replaced by cos theta. म्हणजेच आपण इथे किती लिहिणार तर cos theta. Okay. It means that cos of 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta. It means that these two angles are same. Okay. हे दोन्ही angles कसे तर ते same आहे. Therefore, we write here theta is equals to 90 minus theta. हा theta इकडे आणणार left hand side ला. Theta plus theta, that is you will get 2 times theta is equals to 90. Therefore, theta is equals to, okay, theta is equals to 90 degree upon 2, and that is equals to 45. Therefore, the measure of angle theta is 45 degree. Okay. Now the next question. If tan A is equals to root 3, then what is the value of sin A? Okay, tan A is equals to root 3. But we know that tan 60 म्हणजे काय तर root 3. Therefore, angle A is 60. But what about the sin A? Sin A is sin 60. Sin 60 ची value काय तर root 3 by 2. And therefore, the value of sin A is root 3 by 2. Okay. This is the value of sin A. Now the next. If cos of 45 plus x is equals to sin 30. Okay. Then find the value of x. Now here we know that the sin 30 म्हणजे काय तर 1 upon 2. Therefore, we will write here cos of 45 plus x is equals to 1 upon 2. Okay. Also, we know that cos of 60 is equals to 1 upon 2. Cos 60. म्हणजे काय करतो आपण इथे? That is we write here cos of 45 degree plus x is equals to sin 30. And that is equals to 1 upon 2. Okay. But what about the 1 upon 2 in terms of the cos? Cosच्या कुठल्या angle value 1 upon 2? That is a cos 60. And hence, cos of 45 plus x is equals to 60. Therefore, 45 plus x is equals to 60. X is equals to 60 minus 45. And hence, x is equals to 15 degree. Okay. This is the value of x. काय केलं आपण इथे? Sin 30 means what? 1 upon 2. But in terms of the cos, for what angle? The value of 1 upon 2 for the cos function is cos 60. Okay. Therefore, we equate it and then we get the value of x. Okay. 45 plus x is equals to 60 and hence x is equals to 15. Okay. Now the next question. If the radius and perpendicular height of the cone are 7 centimeter and 24 centimeter, radius is 7, perpendicular height is h is 24 centimeter respectively, then what will be the slant height? Means what? L. R दिलेला आपल्याला 7 centimeter. Perpendicular height means what? H is 24 centimeter. Therefore, L square is equals to R square plus H square. R is 7 square, H is 24 square. 7 square is 49, 24 square is 576. If you add it, then you will get 625. It means that L square is equals to 625. L is equals to 25 centimeter. जर square root घेतलं तर. And therefore, the slant height of the cone is 25 centimeter. Okay. Now the next question. The right circular cylinder and the right circular cone have equal base radii and perpendicular heights. दोघांच्या radii and the perpendicular heights both are the same. If the volume of the cylinder is 600 centimeter cube, then find the volume of the cone. Therefore, down here the volume of the cylinder is 600 centimeter cube given. The cylinder and the cone have the equal base radii and the perpendicular height. मग त्यामध्ये एक रिलेशन असतं, that is the volume of the cone is equals to 1 by 3 volume of cylinder, and therefore 1 by 3 into 600, that is equals to the volume of the cone is equals to 200 centimeter cube, and this is the answer. Volume of the cone is a 200 centimeter cube. Okay. Now the next, find the side of a square whose diagonal is a 12 root 2 centimeter. Diagonal on a side find out करायचे. The important formula, diagonal of a square is equals to root 2 into side. Therefore diagonal किती दिलाय त्याने, 12 root 2 is equals to root 2 into side. हा root 2 इथे मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर काय होणार, डिवाइड होणार. That is a 12 root 2 upon root 2. This root 2 get cancelled. Side is equals to 12 centimeter. Okay. This is the side of a square. Now the next question. If tan theta is equals to root 3, then find the value of theta. Okay. Tan च्या कोणत्या अँगलची व्हॅल्यू रूट 3 येत असते. मग तो टेबल कंप्लीट माहिती पाहिजे. Tan 60 is equals to root 3. Therefore theta is equals to 60 degree. And in this way we have completed the question number 1b. Okay. या प्रकारे आपण question number 1b पूर्ण केलेला. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.